Hello, good morning everyone. Swastiastu. My name is Bahasa. I'm from Ubud. Today I would like to share my views about the workshop Virtual Learning Environment for Effective Education, which was organized by SRM IST-TIE International and hosted by SRM University India in collaboration with Dinas Pendidikan Provinsi Bali and with MGMP Bahasa, Inggris Provinsi Bali. Well, the workshop was held in 3 days from January the 21st to January the 23rd, 2021. And on the first day of the workshop, we were with Dr. Albert Anthony Raj, the Associate Professor and Head Computer Application, who talked a lot about virtual tools in education. Among those kinds of virtual tools, Mr. Anthony explained he focused more on Google Classroom, where he was very kind to guide us how to create a Google Classroom, how to invite students to Google Classroom, how to post announcement, teaching materials on the stream of Google Classroom, and how to post assignments, questions, and quiz on the classwork of Google Classroom, and how to manage teachers and students in Google Classroom. And the most interesting part or feature of Google Classroom is the grades, where teachers do not need to grade students' work manually, since it can be done automatically, and of course it will save lots of teachers' time and energy in grading students' work. Okay, it's very great. Well, other than Google Classroom, Mr. Anthony also helped us how to create electronic certificate. It's very easy, guys, to create a new certificate, since we just need to adjust the templates based on our own needs, our own interests. Great, I think I love it very much. Well, on the second day of the workshop, we were with Dr. S. Kishore, Associate Professor, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, India. Well, at the time, Dr. Kishore explained a lot about the relationship between psychology and technology and how they are related in teaching and learning process that teachers do at school. Well, on the third day of the workshop, we had Professor Dr. K. Selamani from School of Education, Pondicherry University. Professor K. Selamani helped us how to do assessment or quiz at school, and we learned a lot about how to plan an assessment, especially an electronic assessment. Mrs. Selamani recommended us some electronic tools that teachers can use as electronic assessment. For example, like Airtable, Microsoft Forms, Classmaker, Typeform, and Google Form. Where those electronic tools are very objective and very simple and very effective to be used as a tool in assessing students' work. Well, all the materials we got from the 3-day workshop were very, very helpful, especially for me as a teacher. And in this very great moment, I would like to say my big, big thanks to all the presenters, and especially for Mr. Ravi. I thank you very much for being so kind as to facilitate us before, during, and after the workshop. Okay, a big warm hug from me, from Ubud, from Bali, from Indonesia, to all of you in India. Thank you very much. I love you all. Well, of course, I promised, and I would implement some of those technologies in my job as a teacher. Thank you very much for guiding us, all teachers in Indonesia, especially all my friends in Bali. Thank you very much. See you. Goodbye.